All right, guys, we got a beautiful Outback right here. All fiberglass, LED lighting, outdoor kitchen. Ooh, look at this sucker. But wait till you see this 4-season package. And I can tell it's an ice cube in here. Oh my gosh. 2 ACs. Look how beautiful. They do such a great job on this model. Sofa sleeper, recliners, but look at all the room. Look at the cabinetry. Oh man, this is a beauty. This is so cold, it's not even funny. Washer and dryer connections. You got a king size bedroom. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Come and get it. Free delivery, free shipping.